I'm Heidi with WTI.
This kettle by Northmas has been one of my favorite kitchen additions ever. I love the fact that it shows me just how many cups of water to put into it. There's a max line and it is super easy to fill. I love that it comes with instructions so I know what kind of temperature to put the tea at. My favorite part is that I can steep my tea right in the kettle. It's super easy to use. The strainer clips right into the lid, and the lid has a little arrow to show that it goes right where the handle is and clips in. I love the fact that this kettle isn't just on and off. I can actually change the temperature for the different types of tea that I'm using, and it's in Fahrenheit. I'm the type of person who forgets that they put the kettle on. So what's nice is that this kettle actually keeps things hot for 10 minutes to 6 hours so that I can come back anytime during the day and have a hot tea or hot beverage of some sort. I love this kettle. It is definitely my favorite.
And that's my point of view.